don't like when he's sick. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's the weekend. It was Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon actually. We're just here. This morning I woke up, well, I've been up all night really. We have been up all night. Tyler wasn't feeling well last night, so we had a long night. He's actually here napping somewhere under this right here.
Hi guys. Happy weekend.
And we're actually getting ready to we're getting ready until he wakes up to take him outside for some fresh air and get some errands done while we out. So that's what's up right now. I'm literally running on probably like 2 hours or so sleep, but you honestly can't tell because I don't feel like it. Maybe it will affect me later, but yeah,
at a point you're gonna start to knock down.
yeah, but as of now I'm feeling okay. I guess I'll figure out how later is gonna go when later comes. But he's here napping and I'm going to try and feed him when he wakes up. Hopefully he will take a little something to eat because he haven't been eating much today. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if it's your first time watching the fam bam. Turn on the notification and catch up and keep up with us. We're going to
Someone is moving.
Oh, yes, Pumpkin. You're awake?
Mama.
Yeah. You're awake?
Mama.
Oh, you're still hot. You okay? You're hungry? Oh, I don't like when he's sick. Oh. Alright, we're gonna eat a little something and then we're going to go in Papa car and go to the supermarket. Okay? Yes, you're going to put on your shoes, your pretty shoes, your red and blue shoes. Mama take out that shoes for you. Okay? You wanna eat first? You wanna eat lunch? You just want to put on your shoes. What should I do?
Well, you can put it on the shoes, doesn't mean you're gonna leave.
No, meaning should I feed him?
Oh, if you don't hungry and you need to fart, maybe you can give it 1-2 things, but if you're not hungry, maybe you will be hungry after.
I'm just gonna get him ready. So you ready to put on your shoes and get in the car? Alright, let's go. Say morning, fams.
Alright.
I would want to know.
For me?
Yeah. You guys, we're at the fruit and veggie supermarket and I'm at planting stuff. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go in the car.
Papa.
one of the worst day ever to go out on the road. It just didn't turn out right. After I tried to vlog in the fruits and veggie supermarket, I just couldn't vlog again. I couldn't manage because Babe had to take over most of the supermarket shopping. He had to help me do most of everything while I lounge around with Ty.
That's normal.
Tyler just wanted to go home.
I'm hungry now.
Me too. He just wanted to go in the car. He asked for fries. We went and bought him fries at McDonald's and he didn't eat.
That's the thing we always say. We have one kids, we have two, and we always say, what about single parents? What about parents who are single and have two,
How
three
do they
kids?
do it?
That's very hard, and a big respect for them.
Oh,
A
how
very
do they
big-
do it? Single parents.
We
hats
already
off.
don't have any family, anybody around, and we don't find that easy. I mean, we can't leave Tyler anywhere, or so yeah, that's one part that's hard. But at least with two, and yeah.
It was a rough day being out with him. It was really rough, but we managed. We got back. We are all stocked for the week. Vegetable stock, plantain restock, snack stock, and I, good old Jamaican, I'm making ginger tea. Babe, say, what am I making? Look at his face. And
Ginger,
I
can't stand ginger.
Babe don't like ginger. I got back and I seasoned up some of the chicken that I bought so that I can do for some dinner in the week. And now we're hunting food because we are hungry. Babe, what we gonna eat? Might as well we just prepare dinner. It's almost 6.
Yeah, we need to look something.
We'll have some chicken in the fridge from last night.
That wasn't bad, but I don't really feel for
I don't feel for it either.
Maybe tomorrow lunch, something
Yeah.
like either I'm gonna get a little pizza or I'm gonna get this
Get a little
chicken
pizza.
things. Yeah, I mean
Little
a pizza or
So you want to
chicken
do the cheesy pizza?
things. I think we should do it
We
the
can.
chicken.
We can do the cheesy pizza.
I feel for something like this. I feel more for something like this.
Like what?
Like a pizza or
So do
something fatty.
the cheesy pizza. So pizza night it is, you guys. Oven's bubbled up, and I'm not even worried about Tyler because he's not eating much, so he's going to really just munch for the rest of the day. Let me show you him and give you guys a little update. He had a cake in his hand. He took one little bite, but Paw Patrol is his best friend right now. There he is, all bundled. Hey Papa, look at those pretty lips. Oh my gosh, you're so handsome. You're eating a cake? Huh? I bite the teddy bear. Bite your cake. You don't want it? You give it to Mama? Give Mama the cake. Ah, see? He's not eating. All he wants is his pussy right now. Oh, my sick boo-boo. Yeah? You're sick? Hmm? Look at his mouth. You showing Mama sad face? Show Mama happy face. Show Mama happy face. Show Mama happy face. No happy face? You recording?
Just stop now.
You guys, I'm on full-on mommy mode. This is the position I'll be in for the rest of the night.
It's not a punishment.
Hmm?
It's not a punishment.
I didn't say punishment.
Okay, I believe you
The
said.
position.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Look
how
at
can
my
this be a
boo-boo.
punishment? All
Tyler.
he wants is mama, papa, mama, papa. He wants nothing else. He don't want to be by himself. And I don't mind all the cuddles at all.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, we're watching Olivia Pope and we're just coming on to end the vlog. So we're gonna give the expressions of today. You guys, so the Jamaican expression for today is walkless. If somebody call you a walkless girl or a walkless boy, it's another insulting word. Means you have no ambition. So if somebody say you're a workless girl, means you have no ambition.
A
You're a
workless.
workless boy, you have no
You're
ambition.
you're a workless girl.
Me a workless girl?
Yeah.
Am I?
I'm asking you.
Am I?
You know yourself better.
Am I?
The French is gonna be a word for tonight. It's not gonna be an expression. We don't have such. I'm trying to think, but we don't have the same expression than the Jamaican workless. So I'm just gonna say the French translation is very close to the English one. Is ambitieux. Ambitieux mean ambitious.
Ambition.
No, the word like a man is ambitious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ambitieux is ambitious,
Okay.
and ambition is ambition.
Okay.
Ambition,
Ambition.
right? She get it. Are you ambitious girl?
No.
A jeune femme ambitieuse?
No.
Okay,
Anyway, you guys.
I knew that.
There you have the French and the Jamaican expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
I'm going to go ahead and continue cuddle my little sick boo-boo and watch more Olivia Pope. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any video. If it's your first time watching, what there to do, babe?
Subscribe.
Yes, catch up and keep up with the Bam Bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And hopefully Tyler feel better.
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.